Hello and welcome to our tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to convert a JSON file into a CSV. For example, this is one of my client's files and it have a lot of rows, maybe in thousands, but I want to convert these things into CSV, and each of these packets will be a single row. Each of these things are columns. So first I'll use this JSON to I'll convert this JSON to array, associated array, and then I'll export those rows into a CSV file. So I'll do this using a PHP file. So first of all, I have this JSON into my htdocs. I'm using XAMPP server. That is why I put this folder into put this file into a folder. I named it JSON to CSV. So I'll access this as localhost / JSON to CSV. Now let's open a browser tab and I'll type localhost, then my folder's name JSON to CSV. Press enter. Okay, I accessed that folder. Now I'll create a new file called index.php and save it. Okay, once it's saved, I'll select all contents and remove them. Now I'll start PHP tags in this index.php file. If you open the folder, then there is a new index.php file. This file size will be reduced to 0 KB because I already removed it and saved. Once it's saved, then you can see it's 1 KB now. Okay, first of all, we will read this file inventory.json into our PHP. First, let's come to the browser and access it. Now it's a blank file which is index.php. Let's see if this is the file. Echo. This is JSON convert script. Let's see. Yes, this is JSON convert script. This is the file. Now let's open $data is equal to, we will read the file get contents, and the file name which is in the same folder as index. File name will be inventory.json, and let's see if this data is coming. $data. Save it and let's run it. Okay, JSON data is coming. Now let's convert this data to a JSON an associated array. So let's copy, let's make a new variable j_data and convert the data to JSON, decode and type in the variable name data, and let's use parameter true, which means it will do associated array. If we do this false, or if we leave this empty, which means by default it will be false. So true means it will give us the associative array. Now let's see if this data is coming correctly. Echo pre, which will be beautification for associative array. So let's print r $j data and let's see if it's giving the array, a PHP array from the JSON data. Okay, it's giving, but it's a lot lower. Let's see where we missed something. Let's comment the data. Now refresh it. It's not coming yet. Okay, it's not giving the data because the JSON file may not be completed. Let's echo the data again and let's see if it's missing something. Open the browser and refresh the page. Scroll down to the bottom. It starts from these two brackets. Let's scroll down to the bottom, and it's ended abnormally. Let's open inventory.json and scroll down. Let's close these two brackets, like first one, this one. This is a very huge file, that is why I can't edit this. So if you are facing the same issue, then come to your file and open in browser, and we are missing one middle bracket and large bracket, closing brackets. So let's concatenate these two things manually. Data file get contents, data dot the middle bracket and large bracket. Let's see if it's working. Let's comment this and refresh the page. Okay, still not there. Well, let's add one more thing, semicolon, then two brackets, save it and let's run it. Okay, it's fine now. So we have rows, and now we will know how many rows exactly. We have 7,218 rows. Now let's come and open a CSV. Let's open a CSV with archive attribute $file is equal to f open result or output.csv with archive attribute, and let's close this file. In between we will run a loop which will be the j data. So for each $j underscore data as $row, each row, each index will be stored in a row. So now let's add put CSV $row to $file. Let's save it and refresh the file. Let's open 0 KB. Let's change the sequence of file and row. The first argument will be file and the second will be row. Let's see. Save it and run it again. Let's see, it's saving. Okay, it's done. Now when you open this output.csv file, you will see all these things are arranged in rows, and exactly 7,219 rows are coming. Now we will add the headings. How can we find these headings? Let's open this and copy all these headings. Brand, copy, Control C and Control V. Now second one, tire, size, Control C, Control V, price, Control C, Control V, speed, load range, Control C, Control V, side wall. Save it. Let me stop the screen recorder and I'll copy all of these. Okay, I copied all these headers. Now save the file, and we have this output.csv file. I hope you learned something from today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and you will not miss any of my future videos. Thank you.